The next question is a pentagonal pyramid base 30 m height and axis 60 m long, lying on one of its triangular face on horizontal plane with the axis parallel to the vertical plane. A vertical section plane whose HT bisects the top view of the axis and makes an angle 30 degree with the reference line. Cut the pyramid removing its top part and drawing the top view, sectional front view and true shape of the section. Okay, so this is the question. So we need to know first that so what is so the one triangular face is on HP. So one triangular face is on HP. That means the base of the pentagon pyramid is on HP. If it is written triangular face on HP, it is considered that it is resting, its base of the pentagon pyramid is resting on horizontal plane. Okay, so draw the pentagon pyramid, the base of the pentagon pyramid below the XY line. Okay, and the next is a vertical section plane whose HT bisects the top of the axis, top view of the axis, and makes 30 degree. So one sectional plane, not the sectional plane, vertical sectional plane, whose HT the top view of the axis, and this makes 30 degree. It is cutting plane. Okay, the cutting plane is cutting the solid from the top. Okay, so draw XY line first and draw the top view. It is 30 mm side. Okay, and with the help of compass and protractor, draw the pentagon pyramid. Okay, like it. Okay, and draw this is apex O dash, sorry, O, A, B, C, all the corners, D, E, and the center is O. Draw projection upward. Okay, and you will get the front view. This is the front view, and apex is given 60 mm long. So this apex away from the center is 60 mm long. So O dash 60 mm long. Join all line to. Okay, so these are the slant edges. So what we have to do? A triangular face. What we will do? Triangular face. How many triangular faces in the pentagonal pyramid? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one of them is on horizontal plane. So COD. Okay, this triangular face we have to keep on horizontal. So how will you do this? So draw the line C O D, C dash O dash D. This line is O dash C dash and O dash D dash, also having the face C O D. Okay, so keep it on horizontal plane like it, C dash O dash. Use the compass and complete its front view. Okay, after using this, okay, so the face, triangular face OCD, OCD. So one of the triangular face now in this condition is on HP. Okay, so draw the projection downward to know the top view at this condition. So draw the horizontal from the from its top view. Mark all cutting points. So you can see it is so OCD face is on HP. That means hidden edge, hidden slant edge, OD and OC. Okay, OC and OD. These two will be hidden in this case. So join all these A dash, A1, B, C, D. Join all these points, and this is O. Okay, so we need to hidden the edges OC and OD. OC and OD. So with the help of dotted line, we represent the hidden line. Okay. So the most that you have to do after this is the cutting plane. So HT bisect the top view. HT, that is horizontal trace. Horizontal trace comes on horizontal plane. That means the plane is vertical to HP and making angle with the vertical plane. So HT bisect the top view of the axis and makes 30 degrees. So the axis is this O1 and this over here. Okay, that's parallel to. So this axis of the pyramid the cutting plane is 30 degree, making angle 30 degree with the cutting plane and bisecting. So the axis having length is 60 mm. So from the top 60 by 2. Okay, so it will come over here, that is 60 by 2. Okay, so O1 to this is 60 by 2. Okay, that is 30, and one cutting plane or section plane is cutting or bisecting this axis, making with 30 degree angle. And darken. You need to dark the cutting plane at the ends. Okay, here and here. Okay. So cutting plane always need to be darkened at their ends. Okay. And then what will you do? So how many slant edges that we need to know first in this pentagon pyramid? 5 slant edges. So these slant edges are cutting. Okay, the section plane is cutting these slant edges. One is over here, DE, D1, E1. Okay, so here this is okay. So one is cutting over here. Draw this cutting to upward. You will get over here. Okay, it is cutting here, DE and DE. Okay, this is not slant edge. This is side. Okay, side of pentagon. Okay, side of base, a smaller side. DE is cutting over here. Draw. Okay, so it is cutting over here. And the next, the slant edge is DO. DO is cutting over here. Okay, draw it vertical up to DO. O and D. Yeah, over here. DO is cutting over here. So before it is AE. Okay, so the side of pentagon AE or E over here, and then after this is slant edge. Okay, this will go here up to the XY line, and the next cutting is this OA. OA is this one, OA, and OA is cutting over here. Draw it perpendicular from here, and then again next slant edge is this C1 O1 over here. Draw it perpendicular from here to C1 O1. So C1 C or O here up to here. Okay, and then last stage O dash B. This slant is cutting. The section plane is cutting this slant is over here. Draw it OB up to here. from here, vertical. Okay, and join all these. This is the sectional front view. You need to darken it and mark all the points. You can mark from anywhere. Okay, so this is A O, so we are marking 1 dash here, and then 2 dash B, and this one is C, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Okay, this is 6 dash. This is the sectional front view. And how will you know the true shape of this section, this cutting section? How will you know? For that you need to draw one parallel plane, one plane parallel to this cutting plane, parallel to this cutting plane. So draw. So before that we need to mark all the point, 1, 2, 3 at the top, 5, 6. Okay, and need to be darken the cutting section of solid. Okay, so this will represent that we have to draw. Okay, it is always clear to us that this portion has removed. Okay, the upper portion of the cutting solid. So for the sectional true shape, the true shape of the section, we need one parallel plane to the cutting plane. Okay, so you can see over here, and draw all vertical from each cutting points, 5, 4, 6, 4, 1, 3, 2. These are the cutting points. Okay, one section plane is cutting all these slant edges and edges of the pentagon pyramid. So draw perpendicular to one auxiliary plane over here. Oh, so all these points you will get. Take, and then what the thing that you need to do. So this one from 5 here, and measure the distance, one perpendicular that is passing from 5 dash, one perpendicular from xy passing through the 5 dash. Okay, this is one perpendicular from xy to 5 dash. This is from here and here, mark over here. Similarly 6 over here, from this, from here to here, one perpendicular from xy passing through the 6 dash. Okay, this up to 6 dash. So we need to measure it, and we have to mark from here to move. Then you will know. And similarly all the points. And so 3 and 4 are on xy line, 3 and 4. So 3 is over here and 4 is over here. So 3 and 4 they are. Okay. And one more. That's 2 from here to here, from here to here. Okay, that is perpendicular to xy up to 2 dash. We have to measure this distance, how much is it, and we have to mark from this parallel plane that we have drawn. Okay, parallel to the cutting plane from here to here. And similarly 1, 2 dash, 4 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and the next is over here 5 dash. You will get from 5 from here to here, 5 dash, and 6. So 1 from 6, from this to this, you will get over here. And this is all this point, and last is 5. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6. These all are the points of the true shape that we need to join and need to be hatched after joining all these points. So this is the true shape of the sectional view. So here the question has complete. This is the sectional front view. Okay, this is sectional top view, and this is true shape. Okay, when we see this pentagon pyramid whose triangular face is on HP, and one curve cutting plane is cutting the solid whose perpendicular to HP and making 30-degree angle with the axis of the solid. So here you can see HT bisect. Here is the HT bisect the top view. In the question that we need to know, HT bisect the top view. That means it is making angle with the VP, or it is making angle with its axis. So that means HT bisect cutting plane is